Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to rotate video in Filmora application using a mobile device. To rotate a video in Filmora app, the first thing to do is to open up the Filmora application from your device. After you're inside the main home page of Filmora, go ahead and tap on the New Project button. Select a video from your device's camera roll that you want to edit. After you select the clip, click on Import at the bottom right. You will now be able to import the media onto your timeline. This is where you edit your video. Select a video clip from the timeline and then scroll the bottom menu on the page. Click on Rotate. After you select Rotate, you should see rotation buttons that allow you to rotate the video by 90-degree clockwise or counterclockwise. Rotate a video left or right using the buttons on the page. You can also flip or mirror your video by using the flip or mirror option at the bottom. Once you are done rotating or flipping your video, click on the Export button at the top right corner and select one of the export settings. Click on the Pro Export or the Free Export option at the bottom in order to save your video to your gallery, or you can also share it directly to social media platform. And that's how you can easily rotate a video in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.